If you're still broke in 2025, it's not just bad luck, it's the choices you're making, or not making. The world has changed, and no one's coming to save you. But if you stay with me for the next few minutes, this video could be the turning point of your life. This is Fintellect, where we show you how to build financial freedom from scratch, even if you have no skills, no money, and just a phone. Hit subscribe and press the bell, because every video here could change your life. Let's stop pretending. You were told, go to school, get a degree, get a job, save money, retire at 65. But what did that give you? Debt, anxiety, a paycheck that barely lasts the month. Meanwhile, people are building online businesses, editing faceless YouTube videos, using AI tools, and making money, without degrees, without connections, and with nothing more than a phone. And you? You're stuck, not because you're lazy, but because you're trapped in an outdated system. Here's the real blueprint. This is how people are escaping the trap. 1. Learn AI tools. Text-to-speech, script writing, video editing. AI can now do 70% of the work. You just need to guide it. 2. Learn in-demand skills. Video editing, voiceovers, thumbnail design, prompt engineering. These are exploding in demand, and you can learn them free on YouTube. 3. Start creating content. Faceless YouTube channels, short videos, Instagram pages. The internet rewards action, not hesitation. 4. Be consistent for 90 days. No results? Keep going. Most people quit before they win. You won't. 5. Stack your income streams. Once one thing starts working, double down, then expand. That's how financial freedom is built. You don't need a degree. You don't need a rich family. You don't need permission. You need skills, internet, and consistency. That's it. And the best part? You already have the most powerful tool, your phone. This channel, Fintellect, is your step-by-step guide. Zero fluff, zero excuses. So hit subscribe, press the bell icon, because we're going to show you exactly how to become financially independent, even if you start with zero budget, zero skills, and just a mobile or laptop. Got questions about skill learning or making money online? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. This isn't just a video, it's your wake-up call, your first step, your escape plan. Don't just watch, start.